Here I've got a pulley question with a horribly drawn pulley. Now, we all hate pulley questions, so let's see how to do it quite quickly. So, I've got a mass A and a mass B. A is resting on some surface connected to B that is hanging off one surface. Very, very common idea. B is 1.4 meters above the ground. A has a mass of 5 kilograms and B has a mass of 4 kilograms. Part A, how do we find the tension in the string? Well, where is the tension? Well, the tension is acting this way from A because it's pulling A that way, and it's acting upwards from B because it is trying to stop B from falling. Without this tension, B would just fall. Without this tension, A wouldn't move. So we must have a tension there. So how do we find the overall tension in the string? Well, the tension is going to be the same, so I can come up with two F equals ma equations for each particle. For particle A, I've got a particle moving to the right with a tension T, nothing moving to the left. So my resultant force is simply T. So F equals ma, T is equal to m, which is 5 times by A. Don't really know what A is, but that's fine because we're going to have some simultaneous equations. Then for B, well, B, we have tension acting upwards, but downwards we have a weight. That weight is not 5, that weight is 4g. So my resultant force, well, which way is it moving? Well, it's moving downwards, so my resultant force is 4g minus t, and that is equal to ma, which is 4a. A and t are going to be the same in both equations because this is a light, inextensible string, so A and t are going to be the same, so I can merge these two equations together. I want to find t, so let's get rid of A. Let's say that A is equal to t divided by 5. Throw that in here, and I get that 4g minus t equals 4t over 5. And if I rearrange that, take out a t, I get that t is 20g over 9. Okay, for part B, I'm involving a time, so I'm obviously going to need a suvat. So I've got S is 1.4, that's how far it's going to travel. U is 0, because we're starting from rest. V, I don't know V, but I also don't really care. A, well, I know A, it's t over 5. And t is what I'm trying to figure out. So I don't have a v, so what do I have? An s, a u, an a, and a t. S equals ut plus half a t squared. S is 1.4, ut, well, u is 0, that can go. Half a is t over 5, t is 20g over 9. The t over 5 is 20g over 45 times by t squared, and if I rearrange this, I get that t is 0.8 seconds.